With the new lifting station Mulinova, the Eco Group expands its range with a double wastewater lifting station that can be used for commercial applications. The lifting station essentially consists of a polyethylene tank and pump technology that combines both stainless steel and polyurethane parts. The collection tank is available in two different sizes, allowing for a total volume of 430 or 550 liters. Prefabricated inlets with spigot ends are located on both the top and the back of the tank. If needed, additional inlets can be flexibly added on-site at the designated locations. The recessed design of the side and back walls ensures that the necessary drill holes can only be made in the permissible areas. The special connection piece allows the connection of pressure pipes with outer diameters between 108 to 114 millimeters. The pump technology impresses with its efficiency and high reliability. The maintenance-friendly check valve for both pumps ensures a significant reduction in pressure losses. The lifting station is available in 3 different pump versions, with the strongest variant achieving a maximum delivery height of approximately 30 meters. Regardless of the delivery heights, all Mulinova variants can be planned for use after grease separators as well as for draining applications with gray or black water. Eco Mulinova sets new standards.